how you doing? I recently received this gorgeous premium box from Boxy Charm as a gift, and I wanted to show you how cool it is. This is the Illuminati times Issa. I'm so bad at names. Eyeshadow palette, I really love it. Some scrubby glow thingies, literally what they're called. Clarins blurring face primer. You know I gotta get that Fenty VIP brow, and the Casas highlight and cheek. First, I'm gonna start with some Wake and Bake Cosmetics Bong Water and just get my skin nice and hydrated. I love it. Plump. Next, I'm gonna use these exfoliating on-the-go pads, and now the Clarins Blurring Primer Foundation, which I really loved. It did do a nice softening effect on all the areas that need help, especially after long nights. Next, I follow up with the awesome MVP Fenty Brows. Changed my contacts, you know I gotta do that. Next, I started with the Wake and Bake Cosmetics Lip Plumping Clear Gloss. Look at those lips. Now I'm moving on to the palette, which I've been waiting for so long. I couldn't help myself. I had to go Purple Haze with some more purple highlight. You know how it goes. Please check out this blend. It is so amazingly soft and quick and easy. Like, I was done with my eyes in seconds. I was actually surprised. Pat out. Just kidding about that pop. Next, I follow it with Lash Woods from also Wake and Bake Cosmetics. Pop. Love them. They're so soft. They're mink. And the box is cute. Ooh, foundation switched it up on you. Next, I'm going to follow with the Casas Cheek Color. It's peach. It's very nice and soft. You can build the coverage however much you like. I'm not a big blush fan, so I didn't go crazy. I also went afterwards and tapped it with a little bit of the eyeshadow, which really made it pop. Now the highlight. Look at that, glowing from within. I went a little ham on it, but just so you could see it. Normally I use way less. Next, I'm on to the Laura Geller lip tints. It's a really pretty color. I was surprised. I don't usually wear these colors. And that's the final look. Again, thank you so much, Boxy Charm, for this amazing premium box. But unfortunately, I'm addicted to it, and I'm gonna have to buy it every month now. Enjoy, and make sure you get your best values. $25 for 100 and, 25 on the base box, but that premium though. Bye.